The Samsung Odyssey Ark is insane. It's a ridiculously ginormous gaming monitor with a remarkable 55-inch curved screen that would dominate anyone's setup. Though at that size and with a price of over $3,000, it's unlikely to be for the general consumer. As part of Gamescom 2022 held in Cologne, T3 was invited to test out the new Samsung Odyssey Ark that sports 4K performance, 165Hz refresh rate, and 1 millisecond response time. It's an impressive bit of kit, perceptibly longer when spun from horizontal to its flashy cockpit mode. The idea is that players can have up to 4 screens, 3 in cockpit mode, operating at one time, say for a Twitch chat, YouTube community, or even Netflix. It also comes with an exclusive solar-powered Arc dial controller, which seemed a bit convoluted for what it was, while the arch design was equally not as pleasing to the eye. I had the chance to watch/play around 30 minutes of gameplay across Tales of Arise and Fall Guys. While obviously not the most technically challenging of titles, both were still clear as day with stunning resolution. I'd love to see what swinging through the streets in Marvel's Spider-Man would look like, and hopefully we won't have long to wait as the Samsung Odyssey Ark is expected to launch sometime later this year.